One of the best presentation skills you can ever develop is making other people feel special. About 10 years ago, I'm at a friend's house, cocktail party in Manhattan, and in walks Dick Cavett, who was one of the most famous people in all America in the 1970s and 80s, had his own nightly TV talk show, network TV, has interviewed every single famous person in the world. And I had told my friend who was throwing the party that I really liked, respected, and admired Dick Cavett. Dick Cavett happened to be her neighbor who lived right upstairs. She invited him to the party, and I think at the last second she said, "Hey, my friend TJ really likes you." So what did he do? He walked in, she pointed me out to him, and in front of everyone, he goes like this, "You're here! That's fantastic! You made it!" Now, he had no idea who I was, but it was funny to everyone else. Were like, "Wow, Dick Cavett sure is excited to see TJ." So it was interesting to them. It was a colorful way of him making an entrance to the room. It wasn't him acting like the big shot, "Well, now I'm here and everyone can ask for my autograph." It made him seem humble. He was able to put a little bit of a spotlight on me. It made me feel good. Here I am talking about it 10 years later. So it was a real act of grace and charm on his point. Now, he didn't know my name then. He certainly doesn't know my name now. But it cost him nothing. He didn't even have to take the time to learn my name. And I'm not criticizing him for that. So it was a great, classy way of making someone else feel good, communicating with people, and making an entrance in a room. So it doesn't work for all of us, but at some point, if you do get a certain level of fame and people are excited to meet you, it's a great tip to use.